good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the joy of giving. When the heart becomes the hand of the divine. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a joy no possession can equal. The quiet, luminous grace of giving. It is neither charity nor sacrifice. It is the soul remembering its eternal rhythm. When the heart gives, something within expands, and in that instant the divine moves through human hands. The giver and the receiver dissolve into a single vibration of grace. Modern science affirms what ancient wisdom has long known. Giving heals. Neuroscience reveals that genuine generosity releases endorphins, oxytocin, and dopamine, chemicals that uplift mood, calm the mind, and build trust. Giving strengthens immunity and restores emotional balance. It is not depletion, it is renewal. Yet beyond the biology lies a grander design. The cosmos itself is structured to give. Stars radiate light without exhaustion. The sun offers warmth to sustain life. The earth nourishes without demand. Rivers flow, trees breathe, and time itself keeps giving the chance to begin again. Every element of creation exists by the principle of giving. It is the very current that sustains the universe, an energy flow powered by time and guided by consciousness to manifest brilliance and radiance across space, just as the master creator intended. In this universal design, human giving becomes a reflection of the cosmos. Each selfless act synchronizes with that eternal rhythm, aligning personal energy with the intelligence of creation. When one gives to another being as though offering to the divine, the gesture transcends transaction and becomes participation in the cosmic dance. Such giving carries the fragrance of prayer. The cosmic intelligence receives it as sacred intent, and through its subtle calculus magnifies its return in forms beyond human understanding. Peace, clarity, grace, and sometimes quite miracles. In the revered Bhagavad Gita, this truth appears as a direction. Lord Krishna, in words of infinite tenderness, reveals, whoever offers to me with devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or even water, I accept that loving offering from the pure-hearted. This declaration transforms the idea of giving. It frees it from burden, comparison, and expectation. The divine, it says, does not weigh the worth of the gift, but the love with which it is given. Even the smallest gesture, when offered with sincerity, carries the magnitude of eternity. For the modern world, and especially for young minds navigating pressures, distractions, and uncertainty, giving offers an anchor. It reorients thought from anxiety to awareness, from isolation to connection. A simple act of kindness or listening becomes a path to inner stability and harmony. What's the way forward? It may be time to pause and reflect. From where does giving arise? From duty or from consciousness? Awareness, alignment, and coherence are the silent triad that shape true communion and resonance. When these states guide action, giving ceases to be an act or an effort. It becomes an expression of inner order. Such alignment elevates wisdom, courage, empathy, and compassion, nurturing a purposeful life where aspiration is driven not by possession but by participation in the living rhythm of creation. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, true giving is not losing something. It is expanding into something greater. It softens the mind, steadies the spirit, and restores the bond between the human and the cosmic. Lord Krishna's timeless counsel in the Bhagavad Gita captures its essence. You have the right to action, but never to its fruits. In that freedom from outcome lies the purest joy, the joy of giving, where every offering becomes a bridge between the human heart and the divine design, flowing endlessly in the radiant rhythm of creation. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.